Pure ghee costs 100 rupees per kg. After adulterating it with vegetable oil costing 50 rupees per kg, a shopkeeper sells it at a rate of 96 rupees per kg, thereby making a profit of 20%. In what ratio does he mix the two? So let's solve this one. Initially we are given two things here. One is shopkeeper is able to make a profit of 20%. So from this we can say selling price, from the formula we know selling price is equal to 1 plus x percentage of cost price, right? And here the x percentage is 20%, which is profit. So from this we can say 1 plus 20% of cost price. Selling price we know it as 96 rupees. From this we get 96 is equal to 1.2 times of cost price. Finally we get cost price is equal to 96 by 1.2, which becomes 80 rupees. So 80 rupees is the cost price we get. Okay, and then so from the rule of allegation, we can say that, observe it carefully, 100 rupees is the cost of ghee and 50 rupees is the cost of oil. So when you mix these two, you get a mixture of 80 rupees, right? This is the cost price. So if we want to find out the ratios in which they are mixed, simple trick here. So when you subtract 80 minus 30, you get 30. 80 minus 50 is 30, and similarly 100 minus 80 is 20. So this is the ratio in which they are distributed. This is the proportion of ghee and this is the proportion of oil. So we can say that ratio of ghee is to oil is 30 is to 20, or further simplifying we get 3 is to 2. So option A is the correct answer here. If you don't get this method, let me solve it by another one. So remember this, cost price is 80 rupees, this is fixed, okay? And then let me consider for 1 kg. So for 1 kg of mixture, let's make a calculation. So 100 rupees is the cost price of ghee, and let me consider that x amount of ghee is mixed, and 50 rupees is the cost of oil, and for 1 kg if ghee is x, oil becomes 1 minus x, right? And the final mixture costs 80 rupees and final mixture is 1 kg, right? So 100x is equal to 50 minus 50x here, that is equal to 80, and further solving this we get 50x is equal to 30. From this we get x is equal to 30 by 50. Similarly we get 1 minus x is equal to 20 by 50 if you solve this. So what is this x? This is the proportion of ghee, and 1 minus x is the proportion of oil. So when you take the ratios here, you get 30 by 50 is to 20 by 50, and further simplifying this you get 3 is to 2. So you solve the either way, you get the same answer here, right? Hope you understood this question and solution. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Thank you.